Hello, my people. How are you all doing? This is YJ. YJ is a Gambian and Gambia is in West Africa. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the videos. Thank you so much for subscribing. Please, let's share, let's comment to make sure that we learn from each other. I am trying to take you through to level 2 of Microsoft Word. All right, we learned that something about Microsoft Word in our previous video, which is called level 1. So today we want to talk about level 2 of Microsoft Word. So just to remind you, what is Microsoft Word? It's a software application that we use it for word processing, example like processing letters, memos, and so on. So we are always using Microsoft Word for that word processing. All right, so now let's carry on with our level 2 of Microsoft Word. Like we type this document here with the heading called the History of the Gambia. So why is it very important that before you start typing in Microsoft Word, you should always press the enter key 1, 2? Because of this, watch out guys. This is where you have the header. And if we scroll down here, this is where we have the footer. So header here always indicate, like if you are working for a company, this is where you slot in the logos, and then the addresses of the company, whilst this list carry on with the body of the document like you are seeing here. Now the footer, is like who is the actual owner of the documents and so on. So that is what is very important, in documentations of Microsoft Word. My people, I hope you're following. All right, so right now it's like in our previous videos, we were designing the contents of the Word. Example like this. We said, okay, you can highlight the Word document like this. Go to the home here. You click on what? The font. You can get the kind of like font type here, my people. And then get the font style here, which we are using, let's say, bold italic. And then this please refers to the size. Okay, we are talking about the size of the document. After there, you come back to the font color. This is where we have the font color, where you just have to select your font color here. All right, you have the underline. This is where you click on underline. Then you have the underline colors. All right, if we select blue there, then it's better we select, let's say, black here. All right, and then finally we are done there. We will just try to make sure that we press OK here. All right, so this is the design of our document. Everybody can see it. All right, so the next thing that we're going to do is the body. We're going to also try to design the body in a way that at least it can suit for the purpose of documentations. Now we are going to click on home again, and then this is what we were doing at level 1. Here I am going to use another body, another font type. I'll use the regular here because it's a body, and then increase the body to, let's say, 14. All right, people, you are here, no underline, no nothing, so I will just make sure that I press OK. So guys, this is the designing concept we are kind of like using during our, level 1. All right, so let's look at it here. This document now is, here available with us. So today, I want to make sure that use at least some of these sections you are seeing. These are the main menus of the Microsoft Word. So we were at, let's say, home. Let's go to insert and see what do we want to insert here. All right, once you click on insert, this is a place whereby if you want to add a picture to this document, is possible. I hope, guys, we are all here. This is a place whereby if you want to add what? The shapes is possible. So let's try to go for the shapes here. I want to add the shapes. I will just click on shapes here. And then let me try to see which shapes were like much here. Okay, let's see some of our viewers, they are kind of like heads here. Let's say we want to add, at least, let's say somebody smiling is here. Let's click on that. And then down here, make sure at least your cursor is always below. Because right now, watch out, if I click on this, this is where it's going to be. So that means that it's going to be below this. So these buttons you are seeing, they are the ones that we use them for, resizing it, meaning to increase the size, or if you want to reduce the size of it, this is what you do. So right now, this you are seeing is called a sheet. Okay. After from there, we are going back to the same place. Now this time we want to, insert symbol. Guys, I hope you're following. So you just have to click on the symbol here. It's here. Once you click on it, you have to go to more symbols. Now this place, we have to be very, very careful here, guys, because what do you do here? You can see symbols here. But what if you just come and meet this place is like this? Well, what will you do, my people? So what should you do is like go in here. This is where you go on the front here. Remove that. Once you remove everything, always try to make sure that you type this word there, WINGDINGS. Windows, guys. You press the enter key. Now we can get all the symbols here. All right, so let's try to add a symbol of, let's say, telephone set. So we will just click on that and then click on insert. It's already in there. All right, so let's say we want to insert another symbol like aeroplane. We'll just click on aeroplane here and then click on insert. So therefore, it's like they are here. If you look at them, they are down here, guys, but they are very small. So what should you do here is to make sure that you just highlight them like this. Go back to the home. If you want to increase the font size, you can do it here through using the shortcut. So I am going to choose 72. Now they are big. What I can do is I'm going to push these shapes here so that they can be on the same line. Guys, I hope you're following. All right, this is how you insert the shapes. This is how you insert what? The symbols onto your Word document. So it is very important for us to know these things. All right, so I am going to try to see if, let's say, my computer is with a picture. I want to add the pictures here. So I have to click on pictures here. I hope you're here. Now, if you want, you can just get it from the stock online. If you want, you can get online pictures. If, let's say, your internet connection is very good. All right, you can do all these things, guys. So I am going to get it from this device, meaning from my computer. Okay, I will click on that. And now it's going to take me straight here. So right now I have kind of like a lot of pictures here, guys. You can see them. I am going to select this picture here, all right, by clicking on it. Once I click on it, I am going to click on insert. Bam, the picture is here. So what can I do is like I have to make sure that, reduce the size of the picture also. Guys, you can see it. I hope everybody is seeing how this picture looks like here. So I am just trying to make sure that, push this one now so that they can all be at the same level. So this is how actually, guys, you can insert all these things into your Word document. Okay, this can be done like exactly like how you see me doing it. I hope everybody is following. All right, so we are still under what? Insert. So we are just from doing some other things here. And under insert, you can see so many things here. That's are there, coming up in next other kind of like what? Videos. So, my people, I hope you're all here. So, let's try to carry on and then see what we can do yet still. Under this place also, what is very important is like, let's say, we just kind of like insert these things. But what is happening now is like, I want to insert a table. What should I do? Like I want to create kind of like a table format document in Word. I will click on insert again, then go here to the tables. You have the auto tables here. These are tables that you can just point at and you will see them, drawing for you. I hope, guys, you are here. But let's say I want to do it by myself manually. I will just click here. Once I click there, it's telling me the number of the columns. I will see 3 columns. And then it's asking me rows. I will see 4 rows so that you can know what is column and what is row. And I'm going to leave the size of them to auto fix. I hope everybody is here. So right now what I'll do is I'll just press OK. Now the table is here. Guys, look at my table here. This is what I'm just from designing. All right. This is what I'm from designing. Okay. So in this table, I can put things like what? January day. Okay. I can go to the next one. I can put February day. And then I can go to the next one. I can put, let's see, March day. So this is how you fill your what? Your table with the information, right? So this information can be filled up here in your what? In your table. So my people, from, let's say, insert, we are now going to draw. All right, this is where, people, you can just use these places to make sure that you draw things here in Word is possible. All right, everything automatically in Word. And that's the reason why today manual things are less. People normally use them, but not very, very usual, or not as usual. So what I'm here for, guys, is under the draw, I am looking for this ruler. All right, so ruler is here. Or I am looking for background formatting here. So this background formatting here simply meaning once you click on it, it's going to give you the format like this. You can see it. Once I click here, I can get another format like this. So this is where people normally create exercise books. So my guys, I hope you're hearing me. This is where people normally create exercise books. All right, so if you want to know how to create exercise book, this is where you just come and then select the type of exercise book that you need. Okay, so when you are done, you just go and print it out. This is like a ruler whereby you can use it to do your work like how you normally use the ruler of. Okay, so guys, this is very important, and let's try to make sure that we work hard to get these things very well. Using Microsoft Word today is very, very important, my guys. It's very, 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 very important. So I'm choosing none here, and I'm going back to the ruler. Ruler is gone. Everything is gone. Guys, you can see how I'm using things to, create level 2 for you. Now, we are going to, from draw, we are going to design, my people. All right, at the design here, if we check, we also have a different designing concept for the document. Like you can see here, if I point at them, you can see how they look like. You can see, my people. All right, so let's say I want to see more design concept of it. I can just click here. This is like about my document that I'm creating. Okay, let me say I like this design. So this is the design I choose from that end. You have the colors. This is like where you can just choose also to get the coloring systems of the document. Okay, but what is very important here is these two here, like the watermark. What is watermark here is like a part of security that to show to the, anybody going to receive the document that this document belongs to this so company. So you just click on there. This is how you insert the watermark. If you want, you use this auto call, confidential, or some call it do not copy. But let's go and then use the custom by clicking here. Once you click there, you can use a picture, but I'm going to use text here. I will just click on the text. Where you have the ASAP, you change that place. I am going to change it to, let's say, Gambia. I love my country, so I put the Gambia there. Then after there, I can put the size here. The size is here. I can put the size like 90. And then let's say the kind of like a layout for it. I can put horizontal. All right. And then, if I want to put the color, I can just click here and then put the color there like blue. All right, guys, are you following? Blue, let me put the blue color and then press OK. So right now, if you check here, Gambia is here. It's serving as the watermark for my document. All right, so we are still on the design. Right now, I'm going to page color. This is where you select the color that can allow your information to display very well. All right, the appearance of your information is very matter here. So always select the color system that can allow your information to appear. So right now, look at it here. This is how it is, my people. So I selected this background color. You can see everything is appearing here nicely to you. All right, let's go to the page borders, my people. So page borders, this is like a place whereby you select the borders for your document. So here, I am going to try to teach you now how to get your own, certificate design. So if you want to design certificate for schools, other organizations, this is what you do in Microsoft Word. So you just have to come here. You select under art here. Under art border here, if you scroll down, you can see so many designs there, guys. Let me say I'm going to use these stars here, or I can use this one here, and then press OK. Come look at it, how beautiful it is, guys. I can show you through here. So the final outcome is, for this video, is to show you how the document is going to look alike, guys. Please subscribe to this channel. Please, let's subscribe, guys. because I am going to stop at design view. So next videos will carry on from file directly to what? To let's say view. So my people, watch out for video 3 or level 3 of Microsoft Word. But please, 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 I want you to subscribe. Okay, I want the subscribers to reach out the number of the viewers. So let's try to subscribe, please. Before watching this video or after watching this video, make sure please you subscribe to my channel. And let's subscribe to this channel to make it develop. Okay, so I am going to show you the final outcome. Let's say print preview of this document. What are you going to do? We are going back to the file. I just click on the file. So where am I going next is going to be print here. I'm going to click on print. All right, this is how the document looks like. So if you want to print this document, this is where you select the printer. All right, after selecting the printer here, this is where you look at the page what you want to print. You can see them here. All right, guys. So please, 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 let's subscribe. Let's try to support YJ. Let's make sure that we do everything together and then get to where we're supposed to get to. Thank you so much for your support. This is the end part of the level 2 of Microsoft Word. I love you all, and make sure that you subscribe. Okay, by subscribing, it's like you are helping the channel to grow, and we want this channel to grow. Let's reach a lot of people. We have our sisters, our brothers out there that they are in need of these skills. So let's help them. Let's make sure that let us try to make sure that we share these videos. Guys, let us subscribe, please. Subscribe, make sure you share the videos, make sure you comment, make sure you give the video a like. See you then. I love you all. I love you all. Bye-bye.